So there's something called the problem of division when it comes to politicians. And this is regarding politicians since the time they were politicians to now. See, being a politician or getting power means that you need to control resources and you have two hands and one head. So, how do you control resources? Is by controlling people who get those resources for you and then give you access to those resources. And the simplest way that you think to do that is to unite people under you, right? That's the most obvious answer. And that's why we think of politicians or anyone who wants power, even before, even the monarchs, they would get people together to believe that they were their choice to represent them and to protect them against an enemy and get the resources from people. But what if there is no great challenge to the nation? Then how do you get power? If you do not have a common, all dangerous, all bearing enemy like a colonizing force or a major dictator, then you have to create an enemy. And that is called the problem of division. See, in wartime, or if you had a common enemy like the British were in India, um, you would unite people against that common enemy. And then you'd get freedom for the people and you'd be called things like great or Mahatma or any other great title, father of the nation. But in peacetime, how do you get power? So in peacetime, you get power by dividing people, essentially. You create an enemy, which may be a genuine grievance for some people, but you blow it out of proportion most of the time and say it's these people that are the reason why you can't get your jobs and you can't get resources. And it's been going on forever. And a lot of politicians actually did both. They united people against a major common enemy, but divided people against a made up enemy. So, Winston Churchill, for example, united the Allied forces against Nazi Germany, but believed in strongly dividing Indian populations among castes and creed and religions to keep India under control. So every time you listen to a politician, always take this with a pinch of salt. So they always think of the problem of division, which is who are they uniting and who are they dividing to gain power. That's the real assessment.